Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So starting off with the 8 hour, you can see oscillator starting to group the upside, and every time that's happened the last 4 weeks, we have got a sell-off. We are approaching this 41.75 area. It's actually closer to 4200, which is where the battle is at the moment. But I think the key thing to look at on the 8 hour is low, higher, low. Okay, so you had a low, lower, low, higher, low. So it's rounding bottom that is forming. Does look like a big double bottom. There it is there. Obviously we need to break above, not there. We need to break above that area there, which we did do on Friday, but then rejected it. So that's 41.86. We need to get above that, hold above it, and then that would set up this double bottom pattern for a move to the upside. If we just drill down to the 3 hour, you can see all over the place, above and below the moving average at the moment. We've got another crossover. This level here is one that needs to hold, which is 41.43. If 41.43 can hold, then we have a reasonably good opportunity to the upside. Now, 41.43 has been an area that we need to pay attention for the last number of weeks, and we're just not really getting through this area. So two ways to look at it. We're consolidating. That's bottom line. We are definitely consolidating, but are we consolidating for a move up, or are we consolidating for a move down? And if you come to not so much the daily, but to the weekly, we've got these two massive pin bars. Now, are they sort of a double hanging man for a move down, or is that a tweezer bottom? So the jury's out, and there's merit for thinking both ways at the moment. Okay, so looking at the hour, that's what we want to be trading. Look left, Friday was a no trade day, and haven't really had an opportunity to come back and test any breakouts at the moment. So most of last week, even though we had a very strong move. Look at our oscillators at the moment, grouping in a fairly decent area, but I genuinely think we need to be clearing 41.75 and then 41.86 before even starting to look at this at the moment. So for me at the moment, this is still sideways. There's no real reason to be on this. We had this flat top triangle here, which was basically destroyed on Friday. We did get the break up, but we didn't get the retest off there. I tried to, but then it failed and came back down. So right now this is sit on hands. I don't think there's anything on offer just yet. Pay attention to that trend line there, and at the same time pay attention to these two levels I've given you, so 41.75 and 41.86. You may find an opportunity to buy off the trend line and the moving averages here. If you can get some decent 15-minute price action off that, there may be an opportunity with a relatively tight stop, and alternatively you're looking for a break above here. And if you are going to trade this, I would be looking at probably a third of a position to a half position, often with just getting your stops, because it is volatile. It could swing below these swing lows of Friday at the drop of a hat and suddenly find support all the way down here. But we are sideways, so that's what you would expect until we get the trend confirmed, which could happen here. You need to be very careful and just trade well within your risk profile. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.